Going solar is not complex but takes some important things to do to save money and time. Aside from choosing the right solar power system for your home and calculating the right budget, you might also want to include on looking for a professional solar installer. You can find a lot of solar power installers with experience in design and planning, setup and maintenance of your power system. Whether you choose to have solar heating or photovoltaics at your home, hiring such an expert in installing the systems is definitely worthwhile. Things to know about solar panel installation. Like all solar power systems, you require a specialist to install should be the most effective system for your home. You will also experience that the guidelines for setting up your panels are followed correctly. For the solar power installer, make sure that you ask how much time it will take for them to finish the installation. Also ask for other things that you might need in maintaining your panels. You have the option to set up a deadline or move it depending on the availability of the solar specialist. Normally, it only takes less than a month to complete the setup of the photovoltaic system. To stay on schedule, you want to ask for a time frame from the solar installer. These are a few important questions to ask, and guidelines for your solar installer to follow. So rest assured, with your choice to move on solar, and to get more information do call us using the number provided in the description below.